Today's our program merge two files into a third file. Here you see here first file is file1.txt. We have to read from that file, then we have to write in the file 3. For example, if I write in this good, we will write that in the file 3 with the mode of operation write mode. After that we read from the file 2.txt in the read mode operation. Next, after reading we write in the file 3. For example, in this good we write in this file 3. In this morning we write in this. So from this good morning we write in this good morning will be there in the file 3.txt. For this, here I will show you. For example, if we this is the file structure, you see here, this is the program. We are merging two files data. We are combining these two files data in the file 3. You see here, this is the capital FILE. It is defined reserved word. It is defined in stdio.h. Okay, this is a file pointer. This file pointer will point to the file. Okay, you see here, whenever we write file pointer fp1, one data structure will be, one file structure will be created. For example, if it is a file 1, if it is a file 1, it is a first we have to create, then we can do the operation. This is the file 1. You see here, it is the file 1. This file pointer is pointing. Whenever we give the assignment, it will point, this will point to this location, first location. If nothing is there in this first location, here null will be there. Here null will be there. Okay, if nothing is there, null will be there. Okay, at the beginning null will be there. Here address 10, for example here 10107. For example, if I write here G, then here 1071, here 107 will come in this. Okay, so that means it's pointing to G. Here null will be cancelled if we write anything. So here 107 means here it is G. After that, this file pointer will traverse from one by one location. Second location, next third location, next fourth location. Okay, at the last end of the file. Okay, last is the end of the file. For example, if I write here something good, G-O-O-D, good, in the file good. Okay, here at the end of this is null. This is the null. Nothing is there. This is the end of the file. In end of the file, null will be there. This is the end of the file. Last here. Here. This is the end of the file. This is the end of the file. EOF, end of the file. This last location is the end of the file. Okay, like that here it will traverse. So here with the help of here fp1, file pointer will act as a marker. Here it will point to this file 1.txt. Now we are going to read from the file. Okay, with the help of fp2 we read. This is the mode of operation. We read from file 2. While we are reading from file 1 and file 2, we copy in file 3. Okay, you see here, that is the merge operation. You see here in the D drive, in the Praveen folder, I created file 1. Okay, you see here, first we have to write a file 1 Why? Because we are going to read. First we have to write a file. After that we can read. Okay. But here already I have written a file. You see here what's there in this file? Good is there. Okay. Next, in the file 2, what is there in the file 2? Morning is there. Okay. So next, in the file 3, what is there? Nothing is there. From the file 1, we have to write in the file 3 good. From the file 1, good is there. Next, from file 2, morning is there. In this file 3, we have to write that from 2 files, good morning. We have to write from file 1 good, from file 2 morning. So ultimately in the file 3, good morning. From these 2 files, data of these 2 files information should be there in the file 3. That's our aim of the program. Okay. Now we see. Now nothing is there in the file 3. Now we will see with this program. Now we read from file 1, read from file 2, write in the file 3. Mode of operation is write. We write in file 3. Read from file 1, then we write in file 3. Read from file 2, write in file 3. Okay. In this, here good is there, we write in file 3. Here morning is there, we write in file 3. So at the end of the file 3, what should be there? Good morning should be there. Okay. Now for that I will take one character location. For example, if nothing is there in the FP, in the file 1, file 2, file 3, could not open. Here exit 0. That means here if nothing is there, we will come out successfully. Okay. For example, if I write exit 1, if any error, if any abruption is there, any interruption is there, then with that error we will come out. So 0 means successfully we will come out. Okay. If nothing is there, successfully the interruption, we will come out from that program successfully. 0 means successfully we will come out from this program. Why? Because nothing is there in these files. We can't do any operations. Okay. Why? Because nothing is there now. We can't display anything. So now I am going to read from file 1 with the help of FP1. Okay. What's there in the file 1? Good is there. G not equal to end of file. Yes, we write in main memory, then we write in the secondary storage device. File is used to store permanently in the secondary storage devices. Okay. Now we write in the file. Okay. File 3. Next to O. O not equal to end of file with the help of FP1. FP1 is pointing to file 1. Already I have shown you. Okay. You see here. You see here FP1 is pointing to GOOD, like that FP1 will traverse. Next to O not equal to end of file, we write. Next to O not equal to end of file, we write here. D not equal to end of file, we write here with the help of FP3 in the file 3. Okay. Put C is used to write. Okay. Get C is used to read. Okay. Read from that file and write in this file. Read from file 1, write in the file 3. After completion of GOOD, at the end of the GOOD, end of the file. End of the file not equal to end of file, false. We will come out from this loop. Okay, here left and right curly brace is optional for one line. If we have more than one line, we have to, it's mandatory to keep left and right curly braces. Next, we completed reading from file 1, then we wrote in file 3. Now we are going to file 2 with the help of FP2. What's there in the file 2? Morning is there. M not equal to end of file, we write that M. Okay, next O not equal to end of file, we write. R not equal to end of file, yes, we write. N not equal to end of file, we write. I not equal to end of file, we write. N not equal to end of file, yes, we write. G not equal to end of file, we write here. Okay. After completion of reading from file 2, then we writing into file 3. Okay. After morning, end of the file. End of the file not equal to end of file, false. We will come out from this while loop. Next. So now we successfully merge file 1 and file 2 in file 3. Now we have to close all markers, file pointers. First we create a file. First we have to create a file. Here creating a file. Okay, next opening the file. Opening, either according to our choice, either write mode or read mode. Whenever we write, then only we can read. Unless we have content, we can't read anything. Okay, so creation, opening, reading or writing of a file. After that, closing the file. Okay, now we will compile and execute a program. You see here 0 errors and 0 warnings. Merged file1.txt and file2.txt into file3.txt. We created already file1 and file2.txt text files. Okay, now we will see that. Okay, from the D folder, okay, D drive, Praveen folder. Okay, first file 1, what's there in the file 1? What's there in the file 1? Good is there. What's there in the file 2? We have to create earlier. Morning is there in the file 2. Next, file 3. What's there? You see earlier nothing is there in the file 3. Now good morning came. Okay, from file 1 good came into file 3. Next good came into file 3. In the file 2 morning is there. Morning came into file 3. So these two files, file 1 and file 2 content merged into file 3. Now we got good morning. This is the program of merging two files of file 1 and file 2, merging file 1 and file 2 into file 3. Okay, this is the merging files program. Okay, if you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you.